Okay, so this is our objective here. This is our work here. So let us begin here. Okay, let us make this base first. Okay, this base. So what will make? I'll make a plate. Okay, of this thickness. We know this is 40. This will be 40 automatically 40 because this is R20, right? So from year to year is 20. From year to year is 20. So this thickness of this breadth of this is 20. 40. Sorry. So let us start. So I say select working directory. Okay. Desktop. I'll say work. Okay, work. Okay, so this is my directory. Okay, new. So I'll name it block 4, I think, right? Block 4. Oh, exercise 4, whatever you are, right? So again, MMNS part solid. Choose this because everything is in MM. Say OK. Okay, now this the plane has come. We don't know which two is top, which is right, which is front. So it's better to get it from here also. If you click here, this is top, this is right, this is front. You click it here also. But it's better to get the name yourself. So I do this. Okay, it's up to you. If you don't want to do, don't do. So I want the name tag. I prefer to have my name tag here. So so let us create this part in the top plane. So I click the top plane. You can click from here also. You can click from here also. Doesn't matter. See. So it has turned green. So say extrude. Now in sketch mode, say sketch view. So it will orient to the sketching plane. So this is there. So let us make this. Let us make a circle because this is a circle, right? This is a circle of radius 20. So let us make the circle first. Okay, you can make it anywhere you like. Okay, but I prefer to make it in the middle plane. So how much is this? This is radius 20, diameter 40. Okay. Now the total is from here to here is 60, 40 or 60. So I'll just write it. It's not necessary. So I know what is my limits. So I'm switching off my plane, everything. Okay. So from here to 60. Make a line. Okay, doesn't matter. Just make it like this. Okay, just make a line like this. Here I'm just making outside. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll make this tangent. This line I'll make tangent with this. Okay, so I'm not worried about dimension just now. This is tangent to this. Again, this is tangent to this. Now it's tangent, everything is tangent. Now excess line, I can always delete it. So how do I delete it? You see this delete segment here? Editing. In the editing, you'll see delete segment. Okay, so click on this and delete whatever lines are not required. So this is not required because see our uh, sketch has to be continuous sketch. There should not be any break. So this is a closed section. I should have a closed section. Okay, so this is there. This is part which I made. This part, the section of this. Now say OK. Now what is thickness? Thickness is here 12. This thickness is 12. So I'll make this, give this as 12. 1 to 12. Okay, so this is made. Say OK. Okay, now another is this part. Okay, this part, what I can do, I can make one and mirror another one. That also can be done. Or I can make a big one and cut it here also. Remove this metal in between. It's up to you. You make one and mirror it, or you make a big one and cut it. It's up to you. So let us make one, doesn't matter. So I'll choose this plane because I'll make from this side. Okay, this side I'll make. Uh, so say extrude, sketching plane. So I'll go to no hidden. So very simple. Make a circle here. Okay. So okay, this has to be tangent here. So this is the end, right? Make it tangent. Uh, this is tangent. So what is the size of this? Same. This is the diameter also 40. This 40. That means the diameter is 40. So this also 40. 40. Okay. Now what is the length from here? From here to here is 60, right? Are you getting me? From here to center is 60. So how much is from here to here? Hmm? From this center to this is how much? So from here to here is 30, right? Isn't it? Not 30. Uh, Total is 60, right? In the middle. So it's given 20. From here to here is 20. Isn't it? From the center of this to this edge is 20. Already given. So I'll just I'll go to normal. I'll say center of this to this. I press the middle button. Say 20. I don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. Now make the lines as I told you. So from you can make a big one from here to sorry, make the line. I'll just make a big one. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll just leave it like this. So what I'll do is I'll make it tangent. And this is tangent to this. This tangent to is already tangent, so no need. You see this T is written T. T means tangent. See T, so not there. T means tangent. So remove whatever lines are not required. So go to delete segment. Remove this line. Remove this line. Remove this arc. Remove this arc. Okay, so that's it. Now extrude this. Say OK. It has to extrude this side, this direction, change the direction. You see this pink arrow? Okay, this side. So how much it has to be extruded? This is 12. So this is 12. Okay, so this is done. We want to make a hole, I can make a hole. Okay, so let us make the hole so I can mirror both together. Okay, so on this surface, click on the surface, say extrude, sketch view. So I want a hole here. So this concentric to this. So always better to use this circle, concentric circle. Okay, so use this option. Otherwise, the center of the hole may be here and there. So concentric to this. So how much is this? The size of this hole? This is 16. Dia 16. So make this as 16. Say OK. And it has this side, remove material. So I say through and through, through hole. So it will be through this. Say OK. Okay, now this can mirror this side. So for that, switch on the plane. So I've got this plane in the middle. So this will act as a mirroring plane. Okay, this plane. So what I'll do is this extrude and I'll press control and this both, okay, mirror it together. Mirror. Which is mirroring plane? This is my mirroring plane. Say okay. So two things have come here. The one hole has to be made here, okay? That you can do later on also. Now you have to make this, right? So it's better to choose which plane, which surface. I can create similarly. I can create this. This I have created like this. I have created from this surface. So similarly, to create this, I can use this back surface, this surface, this surface. Okay, so I'll extrude this side. So click on this surface, say extrude, sketch view. Just make it smaller so I can see this. Switch on off the template, no hidden. Okay. Similarly, we know the dimension here. This also I think 40 only. Okay, the big one is 40 only. Uh, so I'll write now use the center circle. So now this from here to 60. Okay, so for that I switch on the axis here. You see the axis because from here to here is 60 is given here. Center to center is 60. So you have to ensure that is 60. So from center means this axis. Okay, this to this is 60. So say normal. This axis to this center is how much? 60. Just type 6060. Okay, so go back. So I'm concentrating on this. So make this 40, this 40, and make these lines from here to here is changing automatically. Will change it. I'll just make like this. Okay, I'll just make it outside. Doesn't matter. So you can make it change it. This is changing to this. You automatically this will come here only. You will make another line. You can make it outside. It's better to make it outside. So then you'll be sure that it is changing. This is changing to this. Okay, now complete this. This will come here. Now remove this segment. This has to go, this has to go, and this has to go. Okay, so that's it. Say okay. It has extruded this side. How much? I think 12 only. 12 only. So extrude this by how much? 12. Say okay. It's also done. Now I require one hole here and one hole this side. Of I think 16 only. 16 only. Die 16, die 16. So you can choose this surface. Oh, that doesn't matter. Okay, let us choose this only. This surface, extrude again, sketch pane, go to concentric circle, click on this curve and say this is 16. Okay, say okay. This direction already little removal, just leave it like that. So this hole is also made. One hole is required here. Okay, so one hole is required here. So again say extrude, sketch, say concentric circle. That means the center of this and this will be on the same line. Press this button escape, that is say 16. Okay. Okay. This also I have to just rotate it. The direction has to change. This side automatically the default has been default option has been switched to remote material because this side is there is material. Say okay. But if you don't do this, so see it will be extruded. You have to remove material. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, so I think you have understood this.